friend, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing fine. If you're new to my channel, my name is Temi and you're welcome to Temi Best of Family. In this channel I talk about life experience. I'm into lifestyle vlog and I used to show my sons for cooking. In this channel I'm using the opportunity to say thanks to my new subscribers. You are welcome to Temi Best World Family. As you can see, I'm outside already. I'm going to bank first, then I will go to supermarket, then we'll come back and cook. You know how we do it, yeah. My baby is at home, yeah, so I just need to do this. I need to do fast. So let's go. Today weather is not good, like it's raining. So I'm in bank already. So I'm here. Yeah, we're in supermarket already. So I'm just going to buy one or two things that I know I can carry. I don't want to buy it and also I don't want to carry. So I want to carry gas along with me for everything I'm doing today. Yeah. I not take umbrella. I'm not going to do that. So this one is going to slap me which house. So I'm going to take beans because I want to prepare rice and beans, stew, sugar. So I want to take milk. I'm not going to carry what I know. Meat is now so cost. Meat is so cost. Yeah. Look at this one. €4 something. Mama mia. Hey, see the meat where we they buy for €3 before. €2. Now it's done with €4 something. So I'm going to buy cow leg. And these people kill the person. Like they don't want us to eat anymore. Oh my god, everything is so cost. Like times 2. Oh god. People are learning where we don't go for now. Everything is so cost. Like these are what I bought. Let's go home. Madam, I'm coming. Oh. Hi fam, we are home. I think I'm going to show you what I got from supermarket now. This madam saying that she's crying. It's not easy though, it's raining outside. I don't even take umbrella. So let me show you guys what I bought from market. Yeah. So I got pizza. I got it for €2 something cents. Then my kids got this. This is corn cheese. Yeah, it's garlic in Italy. This madam is strong. She's here. Like, see this meat. They don't want us to eat meat again. Maybe we should come out and eat fish. Because before we are buying this meat €2 something, but now it's €3.76, almost €4. Like they don't the same thing this one too. They don't want us to eat meat anymore. Because so I'm going to prepare rice and stew. Like this and rice. I'm going to prepare so stew. So I got these tomatoes. And I got this onion, this groundnut oil, rice, milk, so this one is cow feet, so this cow leg. I bought these 2 fish, onions, sliced onions, and I got 1 egg. See this madam here. See her here. She got from steam here. So I got these 2 tomatoes too. Salt. This is sugar. I got 1 paste for me and my husband. I think yeah. So I got 3 beans. I got these 3 beans. This paste is for my kids. So look at what we got for 70 euros. Just look at it. Look at it though. Or should I say them? Look at them then. Everything so cost. Look at this small thing. Like, madam, don't try to touch my camera. So, and I got this coconut oil. So, I got this. This is my body cream. And I got the oil. You know, we are in summer now, so if you rub only body cream in summertime, you are going to be sweating. Like, so that is I got the oil. I have been using this oil since 2018 when I gave birth to my second baby. Yeah, I've been using it, so I'm addicted to this one too. So these are my body cream. My body cream. Yeah, so I got this for, is it not 2 euros? No, 4 euros. Then I got this for 5 euros. This for 3 euros something cents. Yeah. So these are what we got for 7. Not even so much. So 70 euro 20 cents. Look at it. So the kids are home already because it's something to 5. I want to cook rice and beans. Then I'll fry my stew separately. So I'm frying my fish already and I'm cooking my meat. So I'm just going to go on and fry my stew. So let's do it together. See, if I put her down now, she'll just wake up like this woman come and carry me when you still beside me. So let's just cook like this. Let's get started. I'm going to go on and blend my banana pepper with my onions. This one is so hot. Comment section what you want to be seeing there. Is it groceries or like big supermarkets? I will show you guys what I'm doing. I mean what I'm buying, like something I just did now. Or you just want to be seeing cooking vlog, or you just want me to be telling us about cleaning, or anything at all. Please, you guys should not hesitate to do that for me. Please and then please. So that I know what you guys love to be seeing. And thanks again for the 200 subscribers. I really appreciate you all. Thank you for your support. I do appreciate that. And my baby said, thank you so much, Master, for your support. Yeah. So I'll go now and add my onions. So I've added my thyme already. I just want to make sure that I show you guys everything. So this is my curry powder. I'm going to add more of it. So I'm going to add small salt to make everything tasty from the beginning. Yeah. So we let it fry. This is the the tomato I'm going to use, this is my blended pepper and onions. So I'm going to use these tomatoes for my stew. So this is the stew. I'm going to leave it to be cooking in a low heat. I'm cooking it, but don't come here to disturb me. No, I'm here to read yellow. Go. 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 Ogni volta con aiuto channel. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. So I'm cooking my beans now. I'm so sorry that I cannot show you guys because I just need to attend this my beautiful baby. I just want it to be soft. When it's soft, then I will go on and wash my rice. Yeah. I'm going to add my Maggi cube now. So this is our stew. We need to wait. It's still frying. So we still need to wait for some minutes in a low heat. This is my momo and my meat. I'm going to pour it now. Whoa. Whoa. Oh yeah. This is my fish. Turn it together. Should I change this pot? Or it will be okay? You don't even know. This too. So I've washed my rice already. I'm going to add my salt, then I will leave it, I will let it cook well. Get our soup. Now it's so delicious, like, oh gosh. So I'm going to transfer it. Thank you guys for coming in once again. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye.